cool. We are back. So read the question. If you guys have some things, we can probably discuss. Otherwise, we'll dive into solution. I'll be back. Okay. With
Similar problem, right?
sorry. अरे similar
The
similar
same.
मत बोलो पहले सोचो. Think first. Try to think of the parameters. Again, if I ask you the solution, you guys will tell this and that. First, think of the question. Similar problem. ये वो नको अपने को. ठीक है मत देवा. Think of the parameters. Think of the possibilities, transitions, and let me know. Yeah, got something? First, okay, is the question clear for everyone? For four of
Yeah.
you? Others?
I'm just reading it.
Okay. Manan Sam?
1 minute.
Just yeah, 1 minute. Bro.
Yeah, sure, sure. Once done, let me know.
Okay.
Deva, try to think. I mean, did you think of something?
I mean, I'm thinking of parameters because we have like the n value is same, right? So even though we have n value is same,
Mm-hmm.
that's what I'm thinking. I mean, you need two parameters because you'll be like skipping one alternate chance, right? Like you'll be
Okay.
taking the maximum to get the maximum value.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. So you need two
So
parameters, one for A drink, one for B drink, right?
yeah,
Okay.
because yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. So yeah, and this logical is different because we have in previous problem we have taken A into B, right?
Yes.
Like the race.
I mean,
Here we'll be like choosing the maximum, I guess, in the both options.
okay. So
Um,
maximum among both. So if it is
and that in that case, and even if we there's a case where if we switch from one to other, there'll be an hour rough gap, right?
yes,
Like you need to skip particular that
yes,
index.
correct.
So that's what I'm thinking.
Sure. Yeah. But yeah,
Mm.
but think, I mean, whatever you are framing, is it applying to the questions, whatever you said?
Yeah, yeah. So that's what I'm thinking. Yeah.
Okay. If others are done, let me know. Okay. I mean, we have
Yeah,
some.
understood the question.
So understood the question, right? So what parameters required? Can you please
Yes.
Yes.
parameters? What are what are the requirements?
A index, B index.
A index, sure. A index. Nice. Sam and Sahas, are you guys agreeing to the point what Deva and Manan said? A index, B index? Or do you think we can do in one index?
One index is fine, right? Because both are of same length.
Yes. So this is the necessary information that if you have one, since both of them are the same length, you can do it using a single index, right? Okay. But yeah, we will try to see this case also.
Yes.
I mean, by Sahas,
Bro.
one index, two index. What do you think?
Can you explain the question once?
Okay. So the question is, you can drink anything, man. Okay. You can drink
Okay.
anything. But let's say if you want to switch from one drink to one drink, let's say if you're drinking A and if you want to go to B, you should skip one drink.
Okay.
So let's take the second case. Okay.
Mm.
Second case में first you are drinking energy A for the first hour.
Mm.
You will get
Mm.
4 points.
Okay.
Next, what you will say is, I will not drink energy A, but I want to drink energy B. If you want to drink energy B, what you have to do is you have to shift. That is, you cannot drink anything within the second hour. Okay.
Okay.
Now you went to B, right? And you are at the third hour.
Mm.
You will finally drink the power 3, and your answer will be, since you drank 4 and you drank 3, the answer is 7. But
Okay. Okay.
whenever you are switching, you should skip one index. That is, you should skip 1 hour. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
But
in that case, I think one index is enough.
yeah, one index is enough. Okay. So at least before diving into whatever, are you guys getting the same sense or feeling of recursion? मतलब कुछ तो है, and there is something we have to relate. We have to go further and ask. Are you at least getting that sense or feel?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, because we need to try all possibilities, na? That's the reason.
Now you can drink either 4 or 1, or
Yes.
maybe okay, I'm at A, I will skip, I will go to B. So you're trying all possibilities, right? And
Yes.
when
Yes.
it is all possibilities, it's recursion.
Drink all.
Yeah. Yes, that is one thing. That is, you drink or you do not drink and switch. Okay. Chalo. So one thing is, first we will try to identify the parameters, right? First parameters is at which hour or at which index I am at. Correct? ये तो
Mm.
straightforward.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. For now, I don't know. What are the option I have? The first option is what?
Drink first for me.
You can also drink from B also.
So first option.
Okay, okay, you're saying option. Okay, okay, nice.
Uh,
Sorry, yeah, I got it. Okay, okay. So let's say I also need to know at which drink I am at. I mean, which drink I am drinking. Correct?
Yes.
Which drink? Okay. This can be either A or B.
B.
Okay. Okay. So if I am at drink A, if I am at drink A, I will get this many points, right?
Yeah.
I mean, like this, drink A of index. I should write like this. Okay. I will get this many points. If I am at drink B, how many points I will get? Let's say drink B index. Correct? Higher or
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
So out of them, let's say I will store it in some variable. Let's say how much? Maybe power. Okay. So one thing I can do is I will have this much power currently, and I will try to explore the same option. Now, let's say if you are drinking A, you should again go to, you will not switch to B, right? You have to be at A only, correct? No?
Repeat the statement. One second.
You have drank, let's say you are at A, you are drinking energy A, okay?
Yeah.
So you got some power and you will solve for the same problem, right? A,
Yes.
correct?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Otherwise, what I can do, there is one more option. This is the
Zero
first
plus
option. Exactly. 0 plus. Uh-huh.
index of plus one.
Okay.
Index plus one.
Okay.
And switch to B.
Yeah. Switch to B, right? Right?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. So this is what the option is. Okay. Let's say if I am drinking A, I have drink A of index. That is, I can drink this and I can ask my recursion to solve for the next one, and I will still be in A. But there is one more chance. The chance is I will not drink anything, but for my next hour, I will switch to B. Does everyone agree on this point?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
What Manan? What Deva?
yes. Yes. Correct.
Ab Deva is not there or what now?
Yeah, yeah.
Clear or not? Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
तो तुम लोग को
Drink
समझ में
from
आया
B.
तो you guys tell me, otherwise later it will be difficult for you to do DP problems, man. That's why.
Drink from B, go with B,
The second option
or
is I will not drink anything, but I will go to A. Are this the only thing we can do?
yes.
Yeah.
And
Yes. Yes, bro.
among them, which is my answer, I will return it. Okay. Let's see, whatever. हो गया?
Yes.
So will you
Yes,
guys
bro.
code it up? Key should I code?
The XY क्या था? What was XY?
This is I
Wait,
mean
what?
this is X, this is Y.
Maybe.
This is
Bro,
X.
base case we okay checking just index is equals to
Yeah, index equals to n. That means you have exhausted. Then you will not get any power, which is return 0.
okay.
Okay, can you quickly code it up?
Okay, चलो ठीक है. So ठीक है, we'll not rush it. Okay, let's understand how we can write it. Okay, I'm not writing DP. It's already recursion tool. Right?
Okay.
This is my first array. This is my second array. This is my length. Okay, this
Hmm.
dot n equals to score equal to which is okay. This dot a equals to, I'm just doing it global so that we should not pass anything in function parameters.
Okay. Okay.
Return solve. From where I will start? I will start from index 0. Okay,
Hmm.
and at which drink I am at. uh, I'm just passing something. Okay, we will talk about this.
Hmm.
What I should solve? I am index current drink, right?
Hmm.
Now here what I mean is 0 means A, 1 means B. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Chalo.
Okay.
Now if index equals to n, what does that mean? We are
Ex-
done. If we are done, will we get any energy?
No, 0.
Right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now if I am at current drink equals to 0, what does that mean? I am drinking A1. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I am at A, what are the options I have?
You can bring that particular option. I
Yeah,
mean, like the energy EAB,
exactly.
E
So
of
that
yeah,
is A of index. Okay.
index.
Plus I will ask my recursion, please solve wherever get the power, do that. Okay. The second option
Hmm.
is Manan, can you tell this second option? Bhai,
He's there. He's there.
Um, 1 month. Go to next and then solve for index plus 1.
mhm.
Go to B.
Okay, so B
1.
is 1,
1.
right?
Yes.
चलो सास current drink 1 का बोलो first option.
Option one equals to index A of index plus.
A of index or B of index?
Sorry, B of index.
BB.
Because we are at B, right?
Yes, yes. Solve of index plus one current ring.
Sam,
Option.
Sam,
Okay.
Yeah, option 2 is equals to solve of index plus 1, comma 1.
1 or
Sorry,
0?
0. 0.
0.
अरे इसमें से अपने को we will return it from here itself. Okay,
Hmm.
max, since we required maximum, right? That's why. Okay, This is the only thing, right, which we require.
Yes.
Okay, now which one we should pass? Shall we कुछ किससे तो start करना है, right?
Yeah.
Maximum of A and B of first index.
No.
No. See, I guess you and Sam has been missed, Sas. So whenever we don't know which to start with, we can start with 0 or 1, right?
Hmm.
So in these cases, what we do, Deva and Manan, I just told something, right?
We can do any random value, but for you, you're taking -1.
Arey bhai. Yeah, that's what I have exactly said. Okay, so we can pass any random value. Okay, Sas and Sam, we
Okay.
can pass any random value, and what we will do is we will handle that case separately. Okay,
Okay.
if it is -1, that time it is only the first time it will happen, only first time. Okay,
Hmm.
so one thing is I can drink the first one. I can drink the first one.
Continue with this.
Yeah. Second one is I can drink only B. Okay. That is,
Hmm.
since this is the first time I am starting, I have the liberty to drink only A or B, right?
Hmm. Okay, return max of these two.
Specific copy. I should have kept option 1, option 2 as outside and written that, because we are writing same line again and again, right? But anyway, हम लोग को तो सिर्फ solve करना है बस. आ जाएगा correct answer.
Return it will.
Oh,
Okay.
देना है कुछ टेस्ट केस. Let's see. आ गया. So are we getting the
Yes.
answer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
ये समझ आया.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
चलो.
Bro, like actually I'm getting the like how you are taking the recursion calls,
Mhm.
but not sure how to return it. I mean, here you have taken return max of this one, like everywhere written.
Mhm.
Somewhere we'll be taking some of the previous one, like ans one and ans two. Like before we had it.
That comes from the question only, right, Sam? They asked maximum. That's why we are returning max. If they ask total number of, then we will do plus.
Okay.
It depends upon question. I mean, it's like, since they asked the question about maximum, you are returning maximum. If they would have asked about find all the possibilities, sum of all, then you do plus.
Okay. Like sometimes we will be taking option one plus option two. That's for some only, right?
Yes, that's for some. When they say you that what are the different options available, then
Hmm.
you go with plus.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है.
And one more thing, bro. Like in the base case, why we need to return 0?
Why we need to return 0? Okay. So if you heard that, what I said is, okay, let's say we are not returning 0. So what can we try off more? So what is the meaning of this SAS? This is that if we are done with the array, okay,
Hmm.
are we going to get any more energy?
Any more energy?
Yes.
No.
No. So that's what we return. You can even think of this as, let's say you don't have even any array. You have a zero length array. Will you get
Hmm.
any energy?
No.
So that's what index equals to n means. I am done with my array. I am exhausted. I don't have any option now. That's why
Hmm.
we do like this.
Okay, so every time we need to consider as
Yeah, the smallest thing or the base thing which you know the answer for. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, and even like here, when you do something and if you are returning 0, that means it will not be affected, right, at the last.
Hmm.
But yeah, that's what. Okay.
So
So
every time can we consider as empty array? Like
yeah, you can, every time you can consider. I mean, most of the times depends upon the question, but most of the times you can
okay,
consider.
okay, okay.
ऐसा करते करते see, I have solved 100 plus DP questions, right? So
Hmm.
what to do at each instant, but you, it might be little bit time taking, but yeah, as time goes, if you're learning binary search, you learn something, right? So you will do.
Yes. Yeah.
Chalo. Sure. Shall we do next? question,
Yes.
or do you
Yes.
want to take some rest?
No. Continue.
Okay. What, Deva? Sleepy?
Yeah, it's okay, bro.
क्या कर सकते हो, ये जिंदगी है. Okay, this one, let me give you in. You can try this also, but let's give it as a homework. Probably try to save it. You guys can save it. Save this link, okay? And
Okay.
one, okay, let's do an interesting problem. Not, I guess it should be there in lead code, but again, how many of you have used keypad phone?
Keypad, huh?
Yes.
Use करे, right?
Yes, bro.
What will be there in that?
A B C D E F G.
You have solved that question, the Deva?
I've seen it.
ऐसा कुछ रहता है उसमें?
Yeah, that above one.
डब्बा ऐसा. ठीक है. देखो, इसमें there is something you guys can see, right? 2 पे there is ABC, 3 पे there is DEF. Can you guys see little bit? Should I maximize it?
Yes, yes.
So everyone can see this?
Yeah, bro. We know. Like we save the contact names with that only, no?
अरे भाई भाई भाई.
Not
ऐसा नहीं.
idea.
Yeah, very nice one. Very good point. Okay, I will take into consideration that for sure. Okay, so now the thing is, I will give you some n length digit. N length digit means, let's say I give you 568. Okay, so there are many possible options, right? 568 means it can be JMT. It can be JMT. Okay, it can be J. Where it is? चले गया क्या? Yeah. One more option is you can have JNT. You can have KOT. Can you guys understand what I'm speaking?
Yeah.
So when you type 5,
Yeah.
it can be either J, it can be K, or it can be L. Okay.
L.
If when I type 6, it can be either M, N, or O. If I type 9, it can be W, Y, or Z. Okay. So now what you have to do is, what I will give you this length string, 568 902, something like that. You have to count, or you have to count how many possible strings are formed. ठीक है? Question clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it should. I mean, you guys got the question right. I mean, I will give you this number. You have to find it out, number of possibilities. Yeah.
What we have in one, bro? Once.
One पे कुछ भी नहीं है शायद. One we don't have. Let's say 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9. That's all.
So if we press the 8 three times, it will be V, right?
No, not like that. Sas. If you 8 pressed a T 3 times, right? Let's say
Mm.
first time it is T, second time
Mm.
it may be V, third time it is again T. So if you press 8, anything can come up, either T, U, or V. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I understood you told with respect to saving the numbers, whatever you mentioned. If you press 8 3 times, V comes, but it is
Mm.
not like this. If you press 8, you should consider all the options
Okay.
initially.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Now, given this, you have to find it out, number of valid. So if you told 888, how many should be? We should get 9.
Yes.
Yeah. So the question is, you have to print also. Okay. हो जाएगा? Same thing, think of the parameters. We have to keep track of index for sure, right?
Yes.
And what we need. Let's say we need to print string.
Add to string.
Yeah,
Yeah, empty string.
we will keep one index, one current string. Okay.
Mm.
And when what will be my base case if I equals to, if I equals to, if index equals to how much?
2.
The length of the
Length of
given.
string.
If it is length of the
Yeah.
string, then we are done. Okay, output it. So the only thing I want you guys is, can you guys write the code, or do you want me to write it up?
So I have one note. Should we store these values anywhere, like map anything?
You can store it in lead code. They ask to store and return. What I am telling is just print it.
No, no, no. I'm asking like for 568. Should we store any alphabetical and numeric value mapping?
You should store, right? Otherwise you will not able to do that.
Yes, yes, okay.
Others, समझ आया?
Bro, once again you repeat the solution. Intuition you told.
Intuition, there is no intuition, Sam. See, I will keep track of where I am. Okay, let's say 8.
Okay.
8 is having xyz something, let's say xyz. Okay, I will try to attach this, I will
Mm.
try to attach this, I will try to attach one this, and I will go to next string, right?
Okay, okay.
Manan,
हाँ करना पड़ेगा तभी आएगा.
अरे इसमें करने का क्या है भैया, इसमें तो सिर्फ जाना
नहीं
है.
मेरा प्रैक्टिस कर. हम्म.
और देवा,
Yeah.
ठीक है, आई गेस यू guys कैन कोड इट अप. ओके, आई मीन इतना कुछ हार्ड नहीं है. Okay. अब तो यू
Yeah.
शुड बी इन a position to write this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the largest thing. Okay, I mean this is the last question of today's session. Now here it is not about recursion, whatever. Okay, it can be solved
Mm.
using whatever we have learned till today's class. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Okay, to think of this question. You guys have to come up with an idea and let me know what you can. If you are not clear with the question, let me know.
Bro, can we solve this using binary search, right? Like first option, maximum and minimum.
Mm-hmm.
Like normally I'm asking.
No, no. You have
Mm.
to be sure. Okay. I mean, normally not.
Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah.
Are you confident that it can be done?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So let's wait for others' answer also. Okay.
Okay.
So till now, if you have thought of binary search, can you think in your mind that okay, this is what I have to write, this is what I have to write check function,
Yeah, we should use prefix sum also
prefix. Okay.
to know the sum. I mean, sum until that.
I believe prefix sum is not required, I guess.
Like for summing that subarray, we need to have no.
No, not required, man.
Okay.
Not required. Sure. Yes. Thoughts. One option I got. Let's see if others what options they can give. SAS.
Yeah, bro. So first thing is we can use a recursion to
Mhm.
check whether it can be splitted over that index or not.
Okay.
So we can try out all, and we can use binary search to, as it is mentioned, maximum or minimum of maximum.
So where you will write recursion then? I didn't get that exactly.
I think it can be solved two ways.
Okay, using recursion and one is using binary search using.
Yes, yes.
Okay, how recursion can be used? Can you explain me? I mean, how will you find maximum sum? What parameters you will keep?
So I think we can use prefix some concept in the recursion.
Okay,
So we can try out all the indexes where we can split. Suppose we can try over. We can, if we consider the example one, we
mm-hmm.
need to split array into two parts, right?
Yes,
So we can split seven first subarray, and the remaining one is subarray two.
okay. So 2, 5, 10, 8.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
So we can calculate sum using prefix sum.
mm-hmm. Then where is recursion? Um,
I mean, you'll be like increasing the indexes, right? Like for the particular k value. So you'll be like dividing the whole array, right?
he said that we will take prefix sum, right? So prefix sum pe to we will get that right in constant time. Matlab 2510 I can get it
No,
fast. So how recursion?
Next we can split the array into
we'll take the
two parts.
first two
Okay,
Yeah.
elements.
these two elements. Okay,
Yes.
okay, and
7,
Yeah,
2 and 5, 10, 8.
and uh, and what if k is 3?
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, let's also see hear from others.
I was thinking binary search, but uh, I don't know.
Deva,
I'm thinking of recursion only, bro.
cool.
Bro, like when it comes to recursion
Mm-hmm.
in the function as index and the number of cuts
Correct,
and sum,
correct.
like a calling, when it comes to calling functions, first we will increment the index
Mm-hmm.
and we will increment the cut also,
Mm-hmm.
and we will add the current index to that.
So
In the
let's say if
second,
I'm starting with 7, okay, Sam, and k equals to 3,
yeah,
then like what I should do? Like I should cut, let's say if, so what are the options available to cut or not, right?
yes, yes, like we will increase cut or we will not increase cut.
Okay, and finally, one is we will keep a sum.
Yes, like we will anyway we will be adding to the sum.
Yeah. So how many parameters? One is index, one is k, one is sum. Three
Yeah.
parameters, right?
Yes, yeah.
Obviously, since we are talking about recursion, that can be done. Okay.
And then when it comes to the base case, if cut is equals to k minus 1
Okay.
or index equals to n,
Hmm.
then we should return the max from there.
So if we are returning max,
I mean, okay,
yeah, then it won't
The
be that, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, let's forget all this. Okay. Question
Okay.
is, you are given you have to split into something. What the question is, return the minimized largest sum, right? As soon as you see this, what should come into your mind?
BS.
Binary search.
BS, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we know that we should get minimized largest sum, right? We know, we let's say if we don't know low or high, we can keep something. Low maybe 0, high can be some other number, right? Say
mm,
we should do only one cut. If we only, or if we have to do at least one cut, or okay. So can I say high will be nothing but my all my array elements? I mean that can be the maximum, right? Maximum sum.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
It cannot go beyond maximum sum. I mean sum of all the elements, right?
Yes. Correct. Correct.
Yes.
And then we will do mid. Mid से कुछ आ जाएगा. And if I somehow write a check function, my job is done, right? The important part is what should be my check function. Who can tell me the correct check function of this? Given a mid, what should my check of mid should return? I mean, it should return true or false, but what on what basis? That's what I'm asking. The logic of check mid I require. So you guys got this right? Low equals to 0, high equals to sum of nums.
Some of our bits.
Yeah, sum of
Yes.
elements.
yeah.
So we will do binary search, low plus high by 2. We get it as mid. If check of mid, this is what we write, right? In binary search. If check of mid.
Yes.
And then we have to do something, other else something. Now this check of mid, what you have to write, and based on that you should tell me this part and check function. Okay? Chalo bhai, bolo.
एक बार सॉल्यूशन पे जा जो तू एडिटर पे था वंस को दे हाँ हाँ ठीक है डन
Expectations really, it's really going down, man. You should, by check function, what it should tell. If you give a parameter, what is the question? You should find the minimized largest sum, right?
Yes, bro.
Then what should be my check function? If given a mid, the sum of all the subarrays should be less than or equals to mid, right? It should not pass, it should not cross mid. One, two, three, four, five. Let's say k equals to 2, mid equals to how much? Tell the first mid, 0 plus 15.
15 by
How much?
7
7.
7 means what is the meaning? That is, each subarray should only have sum as 7, right?
maximum of
Yes,
7
maximum 7.
Yes.
1, 3, 6, cut, first cut. If I take 4, it will become 10, right?
Yes,
yes
yes.
Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9, so I should cut it here.
but
How many cuts?
3.
3
Sorry, 2 cuts.
कितने subarrays form है?
3.
How many subarrays they ask? 2 subarrays, right?
2
Yes.
It is not possible.
Yes.
possible
If it is
let's
not
go less
possible, we should go higher or low.
lower
Great.
Higher, higher.
अब तुम अगर lower जाओगे तो you will cut here, right, Manan?
हाँ
So if you cut
Higher.
here, there will be more subarrays forming.
hmm. yes
So you
yes
should go higher. That is low
higher
equals to mid plus 1, right? Low.
Yes.
So mid plus 1 means what? 8 plus
15.
by 2. How much? 23 by 2. 11, right?
Yes.
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. We
10
cannot
cut
take this. So we will do only one cut, right?
Yes.
This is the first cut. How many cuts we have done? Two, one cut. And number of subarrays are 2. That is
2
satisfying. If 11 is satisfying, we should go left or right?
less
Low, low.
low
No, low equals to mid plus 1 or high equals to mid minus 1. The question is minimized. Minimized means where we should go, left or right?
Left.
Left. So
High equals to mid minus 1.
yeah, high equals to mid minus 1, which is 10. 8 plus 10 by 2, 9.
9.
इधर एक कट मारेंगे and this is
Hmm.
4 5 is 9, right? So this is one
Hmm.
possible option. 9. Again 9 is your one of the answer. Now again
Hmm.
8 plus 8 by 2, which is 8.
Hmm. Not possible.
So this is how binary search is working. अरे भाई तुम लोग को करना चाहिए था
Yeah,
man.
got it, bro.
अरे got it तो वो तो आंसर के बाद you are saying, right? But I mean, why you guys were not able to find it out?
so simple